Hey everybody, welcome back to Joe's Multi-Tool and Bushcraft. I got the last piece of the puzzle. Today's video, we're just going to be looking at the mini tools that I ordered, and the last one came in today. To open it up, we're going to be looking at this little small-sized folder that I grabbed just to open up this stuff. You know, it's a no-name Amazon knife, industrial knife foldable, we're calling it. That's the package. It's made in China, so you know the steel isn't that great, and it might not even be sharp enough to cut through this package. It's got your little your glass breaker on the end, and your belt cutter, your seat belt cutter there. Okay, so let's check out this, which one's in here. Oh, look at that, it did cut through. Get rid of that. Ah, okay, the Gentleman's Hardware multi-tool. 14 tools in one. It's a nice little can here. This little canister. Oh wow, they got it really they got it in there good, man. They don't want you to take this thing out. Alright. So let's check this out. What we got here? It has everything all labeled on the inside here. So let's just flip it so it matches the diagram. So right here you got a flathead screwdriver, you got a large flathead screwdriver, you got a 7mm hex key, a crosshead screwdriver on the bottom here, a box opener. They're calling that side a box opener, I guess. A bottle opener right in here. And then you got all your hex keys around here. A line cutter, wire stripper, nail pry at the front. A 30mm ruler. And there you go. That's your key multi-tool right there. Sorry about that. Okay, put that baby back. And let's check out the other tools. It's a nice little tin there. Okay, up next, we're going to look at the Doohickey. The Doohickey mini tool. Okay, so again, this one has a little ruler along the top. It's got your wrenches in here, your hex wrenches. It's got a carabiner clip right there. Your bottle opener. It's calling this a box cutter, although I don't know if that's sharp enough to go through a box. And then it's got your screwdriver flathead there. So that's your Doohickey key tool. Again, these are all like little tools that you could just put on your keychain. Okay, that was the Doohickey. Next, we're going to take a look at the Kershaw PT2, or Part 2, whatever you want to call it. It's another mini tool. Just slide this out of here. Wow, it's really in there good. Okay, finally. Okay, like the Doohickey, this one's not, trying to go over the top with its tools. Again, you know, you got your flatheads here, and then your wire stripper in between. You got your hex wrenches right here, your bottle opener right there, your lanyard hole with your keychain ring, and that's about it on this one. But it's made by Kershaw. I think they're best known for their knives. But yeah, it's pretty neat little. Oh, there's the box cutter right there. I see it now. Wow, these are mini tools. I don't even know if that'll focus in there. That's right at the tip there. Okay, that's your Kershaw. Next up, we got the SOG Mac V tool, or Mac 5. And let's crack this baby open. Oh, look at that. I ruined all the writing on the back. What a moron I am. Alright, check that baby out. Look at that. Looks pretty heavy, eh? Okay, so it's got wrenches all the way around it, right? All your hex wrenches are all the way around it. It's got your bottle opener right here. It's got your wire or nail pullers / wire strippers at the bottom here. But I don't think they're calling them wire strippers. I think they're just calling them, it's a nail puller and pry bar. Okay, you got your screwdriver bits at the side here. Some more screwdriver bits along here. It's got some kind of sharpener, carbide sharpener right here. There's something else I'm missing. Oh, cord cutter. So it's got a cord cutter right in here. So that's your SOG Mac V mini tool. Okay, and now for some comedy. Okay, now you all seen me get this tool when I did my. If you haven't, check out my unboxing Amazon mini tools video. This little thing is going to get some more attention. Just because I just thought it was hilarious that this tool, this little box, came by itself in an Amazon box, while all the other tools came in an envelope altogether. So this is the world's smallest, what do they call it? World's smallest tactical every EDC knife. Okay, it's the world's smallest tactical EDC knife right there. And it's on a liner lock system. That's how it locks in. And it's got some serrated edges to it. And a little, this will be good on another keychain thing here. It's got a little hole for the keychain loop. But yeah, I just thought that was hilarious. This is a small knife right here. Right? And that's the world's smallest tactical knife right there. Okay, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Got some good news, exciting news, for me anyway. The gear pack, the latest gear pack box for June, should be arriving this week sometime. It's in Mississauga. It's probably in Stony Creek right now. But yeah. It should be in. It's got the theme eating on the go. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for stopping by. please like, subscribe, share it, and come back again. Come back soon for the latest gear pack unboxing. Later.